Welcome to the post-game press conference after they got their win the second time around versus the Terra Firma Gym in Group A. We are joined by our winning coach, Coach Renzi Bahar, and our best player of the game, Arvin Tolentino. Coach Renzi, with the way your players played, it seemed like everyone was on the same page. Paano nyo kaya madadala ito moving forward to the second round games and in making sure na makapasok kayo sa top 4 for the quarterfinals?
Yun lang kasi we lost by 2 consecutive losses against Meralco and our last game against Meralco and Magnolia. So, kinausap ng coaching staff, especially with Coach Bon, kinausap yung home team na how we handle those 2 losses. Hiningi lang naman namin for today's game is number 1 is the energy of the players na kailangan na from the start may pakita namin yung willingness namin to defend, especially on Terra Firma is a dangerous team na coached by very good coaching staff. Na yun lang na madepensa namin sila na maayos and we control the boards, which is yun na nangyari ngayon. Na-control namin yung rebounding department plus yung assist department. Nagkaroon kami ng magandang chemistry inside the court in the presence of our best player na si RB na siya talaga yung nagtinulog from the first quarter. Yung assist department na medyo na-involve na agad yung mga teammates. So yun yung nag-dictate sa amin, which is sana yun yung madala namin going to Converge game this coming Wednesday.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Arvin, I go over to you. Earlier this conference, meron kang career high na 51 points. Now, for this match, meron ka namang triple-double performance, 23 points, 11 rebounds, and 10 assists. Arvin, it's not always common that a local player achieves something like this, especially in an import-laden conference. Pero para sa'yo, to what or whom you give credit this statistical highlight?
Well, of course, number 1 is yung number 1 si God. God give me the energy, keeps me safe, keeps us safe. So glory to God. And of course, I credit it to my teammates and the coaches. Getting a triple-double, hindi naman pang isang tao lang, isang player. You have to, of course, yung mga teammates ko, they keep finding me, and I keep finding them also. And sila yung nakaka-shoot ng mga baskets, ng mga basa ko. And that's why I get 10 assists today. I got 10 assists today. The coaches also is in full support. Yung system namin, the way we play. Like I said, what I said before na lahat kami factor dito, lahat ng mga players, hindi lang to one-man team or a local and an import team. Kumaga, we're a team, diba? Everyone is capable and it shows today, diba? We got like 5 or 6 players in double digits, so we got 57 rebounds. So yeah, I think it's a team. Bring to my teammates.
Now we open the floor to our friends from the press.
Arvin, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Arvin, you acknowledge nung na-51 ka na you need to, kailangan mo mag-improve sa other aspects ng game. If it's triple-double, this say na hindi ka lang puro scoring, but you can also do other aspects of the game.
Yeah, actually, isa sa mga goal ko. For the past few conferences, I did a team in scoring. But also, gusto ko, rebounds is an effort. Effort lang naman yung rebounds. Assist is, playing with your teammates, getting your teammates involved. So that's yun yung wino-work ko talaga ever since na naglipat ako sa Northport. Kasi nga, alam naman din ng I've been leading the team in scoring for a few conferences na, so I know yun din yung mga tinitingnan ng ibang teams. So I have to also be matured enough to recognize that na syempre yung mga, like what I said, yung teammates who are also capable. So I just have to really involve them and effort in getting rebounds, helping them box out, grabbing rebounds. Yeah.
Happy din coach kasi itong second round very crucial kung second round for your quarterfinal aspirations. Siyempre 2-3 kayo yung first round. Do you like your chances na ma-turn things around?
Yeah, I think with the win today, medyo maganda yung yung position namin so far. Of course, our target is yung mga teams that are below us is to beat them. And isa na tong Terra Firma. So, and of course, try to get as much wins as possible dun sa mga higher teams. But ang goal namin is in this second round is to beat yung mga teams na below us and try our best to beat siguro. But if kaya talunin lahat, why not? But yeah, if we can get 2 or 3, I think we'll be fine.
So, sa akin naman, yun lang, we have a good chances because this is our first game in the second round. Then hopefully, ma-duplicate namin this coming Wednesday against Converge. Then one game at a time lang kami. Number one is yung energy namin talaga on defense. Yun yung kailangan namin ma-sustain. At the same time, yung offense naman will follow kung talagang medyo maganda talaga yung depensa namin. So, yung chances natin dito sa second round is yun, talagang medyo maganda para sa amin. Especially yung panalo na to na yun nga, dinededicate din ng mga players namin kay Coach Bonnie kasi tomorrow is birthday of Coach Bonnie. So, magandang pa-birthday ito para kay Coach Bonnie.
Coach, congratulations, Coach.
Thank you.
It was expected that Northport will beat Terra Firma because Terra Firma is quite big, not strong compared to Northport. So, are you surprised to the game or the performance of your player considering your team beat Terra Firma by big margin?
Hindi naman kasi before we start again, we talk about it already because we know Terra Firma has a lot of injured players. So, sinabi lang namin na we need to start strong and kailangan huwag na namin buhayin pa. I-double din nga namin kung sakali kasi patay na yung halos to. I-double din na lang namin. So, which is kasi pag binigyan pa namin sila ng chances, especially yung start ng game, is baka magkaroon pa kami ng problema during last quarter of the game. So,
are you surprised also Northport beat Terra Firma in almost all departments?
So, siguro, ngayon mo lang nalaman. So, na-surprise kami doon because of the effort of the players na rin kasi ito eh. So, talagang pinakita nila from the start up to finish talagang gusto nilang manalo. So, bonus na lang to na lahat ng department is na-beat natin sila.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
That's it for our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen, and congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.